Class 9, chapter polynomials, topic is algebraic identities. In this topic, we will be learning about the different algebraic identities and their uses. So let us see. Here are the algebraic identities written which has to be carefully observed and it should be thoroughly memorized. It should be remembered forever till you study mathematics. These identities are going to be in use. So write many times if you are struggling to remember this. This is the only way to remember this identity is to write as many as times possible. Now let us see the first identity. It is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity we have started learning from 6th class onward. So again we have to deal with this in the 9th class. So a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. See the difference here, plus 2ab, here it is minus 2ab. Third one is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. We can also write a minus b or a plus b. Now see the difference between here it is whole square and this is a square minus b square. So be careful with the difference and don't mix up the formula. The next one is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Here we have to keep in mind this thing here. This is x and this is also x. They will be always be same. Then on this a and b are different. So this is the indication that we have to apply this formula x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Next is a plus b plus c whole square. Here we have a plus b whole square only and we have three terms. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next is a plus b whole cube. Power is 3. Here the power was 2. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. You can also remember that by a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square if we open the bracket. Next is a minus b whole cube. This is for plus, this is for minus. So here carefully observe what is the difference in these two. All the plus will becomes the minus. This is the best way to remember that all the plus in the a plus b will becomes the minus. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b is equal to a cube minus, if we open the bracket, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The last one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That is a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Now we will see some examples of usage of these identities we have just studied. See the question. Use suitable identity to find the value of x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now as I told you, observe this. Here it is also x. Here it is also x. Just first two terms are same and these are different. So we will be using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. If we apply this identity, it will become x square plus a is 2 and b is minus 3. So a minus bx plus a into b, that is 2 into minus 3, which further comes out to be a square minus x minus 6. So this is the use of this identity x plus a into x plus b into a. Next, evaluate 102 into 107 using without multiplying directly. We don't have to multiply directly. Here it is clearly mentioned that is without multiplying directly. So that means we have to use some identity. Again we'll be using the same identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Here we can write 102 as 100 plus 2 and 107 as 100 plus 7. Always break up and in the addition with the multiple of 10 only. Don't write it as 103 minus 1 or 108 minus 1. Always multiple of 10. Next, so here we compare with x plus a into x plus b, come to a, the value of x will be 100 and the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 7. So applying the identity, the first is x square, that is x is 100, to 100 square plus a plus b, that is 2 plus 7 into x. X is our 100. So that is again a into b, a is 2 and b is 7. So that is 2 into 7. So some further doing the calculation, the answer will be 10914. See the next one. We have to factorize this 4a square plus 16b square plus 64c square plus 16ab plus 64bc plus 32ca. Now here we will be using the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here see 4a square plus 16b square plus 64c square, 16ab, 64bc plus 32ca can be rearranged as this 4a square. This one can be written as 2a square, 16b can be written as 4b square, 64c can be written as 8c square, plus this 16ab can be broken as 2 into 2a into 4b, 64bc can be written 2 into 4b into 8c, 32ca can be broken as 2 into 8c into 2a. While breaking this 16ab, 64bt, 32a, be careful with these values of a, b and c we have written here. These three terms should be involved while breaking this. If we compare this whole breakup with this one, then we come to know that this is actually a formula for a plus b plus c whole square, where a is 2a, b is 4b and c is 8c. Hence this whole expression can be written as 2a plus 4b plus 8c whole square, which since it is whole square we can also write it two times, 2a plus 4b plus 8c into 2a plus 4b plus 8c. See the another example. Write x minus 2 by 3y to the power whole cube in the expanded form. Obviously we will be using here a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. The value of a here is x and the value of b here is 2 by 3y. So applying the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, opening the bracket, doing the cubing, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube, again doing the calculation 2xy upon bracket x minus 2 by 3y, opening the bracket 2x square y, this minus will become the plus because of this minus sign and opening of the bracket. So this will be the final expression of this expanded form. One more example, we have to factorize 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 64c cube minus 72abc. So recall the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So if we rearrange this particular term, a cube plus 27b cube plus 64c cube minus 72ab, that 8a cube can be written as 2a cube, 77b cube can be written as 3b cube, and 64c cube can be written as 4c cube minus 3, and abc can be written as 3a, 2a, 3b, 4c. So this 72ab is broken like 3 into 2a into 3b into 4c. Now if we compare this whole with this one, this formula, so this formula will become a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus bc minus ca. Further doing the calculation like 2a square is 4a square, 3b square is 9b square, 4c square is 16c square, and multiplying all this, so we will get the final expression as this. So this is factorized because it contains the product of two factors.